Approach. To come near or nearer to something or someone.
We approach Mordor from the north.
Oh, yes?
Detect. To discover something.
Computer can't detect a pattern, but I'm sure it's code.
Defect. A fault or problem in something or someone.
Jonathan says it is a defect of the aristocracy that they say what they please.
Employee. Someone who is paid to work for someone else.
Melinda here was voted Employee of the Month at the dollar store last February.
Neglect. To not give enough care or attention.
Don't you think it's a little weird we've been writing each other for however long and somehow you neglect to tell me that A, you've fallen in love, and B, you've fallen in love?
Deceive. To persuade someone that something false is the truth.
But I promise you, I didn't set out to deceive you.
Undoubtedly. Almost certainly.
Because in this world, if I were to invite who I desired, I would undoubtedly find myself without a home, let alone a television show.
Popular. Liked, enjoyed, or supported by many people.
And by the end of summer, I was the most popular girl in camp.
Thorough. Complete, very great, or very much.
So, judging from what I've read, it doesn't seem like we've done a very thorough investigation into the Gagan case.
Client. A customer or someone who receives services.
You think that your client, one of the wealthiest, most powerful men in the world, is secretly a vigilante?
Comprehensive. Complete and including everything that is necessary.
Full cooperation. He provides us with a comprehensive list of all the co-conspirators spanning the last 7 years, and he also agrees to wear a wire.
Defraud. To take money or goods illegally from someone.
I'm attempting to defraud the Liberty Mutual insurance conglomerate out of $1 million.